Hi, I had top surgery with Dr. Javed Sajan about 13 months ago, and I did the non-binary scars, so double incision. And after the surgery, I started using the Scar Protocol creams and religiously used them, twice a day. They were awesome. They didn't smell or stick funny or anything like that, like some of the tapes and things that other people had recommended. So I just started using that alone, and now I'm finishing up the last bottle and the last phase of it, and my scars have not keloided. They're fading. They're nice and supple. There's no lumps, no bumps. The coloring is really fading in, and I could visibly see differences in the coloring on the different stages as things were healing. So it's a little bit of an investment up front, but then you're covered for the whole 13 months, and I really feel like I got a wonderful result from it. I love the way my scars came out. They're almost invisible. I wish you the best of luck.